Hi guys, Andrew here, Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Here with you with a near classic Jaguar XJR. You see, nice silver, pretty good shape. I know there's a lot of you people out there that like your British cars, your Jaguars and all that, and rightfully so. Everyone has their own taste. This one here is the supercharged version. Now this car came to us with charging system issues. Battery's been previously replaced, but the battery light was on, vehicle was not charging. We lifted it up, had to pull the inspection covers off and all that, try to get to the alternator. The alternator on these, as you know, the engine and all that is pretty tight. This one's the supercharged one. There's a lot more plumbing, a lot more hoses, and a lot more stuff's exceptionally tight. This is the alternator that we replaced. As you can see, this was original Jaguar here. We replaced the main drive belt tensioner here. And these were the condition of the belts. Old, aged, cracking. This one here, this is on the outer part. You can see how the cracking started in there. Even more so on the inside of the ribs. Preventive maintenance is the key to this. You know, you guys love your Jags. Take care of them, right? You want them to take care of you and not leave you stranded. As you can see down in here, this is where the belts and all that run. Very tight. You guys want to wonder sometimes why it costs so much to service your Jags. Well, they're not the easiest thing to work on. This alternator here is relatively down in this lower corner. You're not going to see it from there, but it is just really tight. You got to lift it up and basically take out the motor mount on the right side to access this, get it out, and that saves you from taking out all the hoses and plumbing. So, you ever question why it costs so much to fix these things? It's the way they're engineered. They're tight. Everything fits in there, but they're a great car. It comes with the cost. You guys have any near classic Jags out there? Any questions or concerns? Give us a call here at Urban Automotive. Safety first.